We just picked up this Glock 36, and it's going to be Mike's new everyday carry. He's been carrying this 38 Smith & Wesson for a long time now. It's also the gun I carry. But he just felt like he needed more stopping power. He likes the 45, but his Ruger's just too old, too big, and too heavy. It is just better off staying in the nightstand. We looked at all kinds of 45 autos and went back and forth between the Springfield XDS and several others, but ultimately decided on the Glock. Glock pistols have passed the most stringent military and industry tests and are known worldwide for their 21st century technology, durability, and accuracy. The safe action trigger system allows the shooter to fire quickly without having to operate external safety devices. The receiver is made of polymer with hardened steel guides, and the total slide length is just over 6.5 inches. It's 1.13 inches wide, quite compact and concealable. With the full magazine, this weighs just under 27 ounces, and by the way, it has a 5.5-pound trigger pull. It's a single stack magazine that has a 6-round capacity, but Mike likes to carry in condition 1, so it's a 6+1. Cocked and loaded. I really love this gun. I made us get a Glock 9mm for myself. One of the other reasons Mike went with the Glock is because it's so easy to field strip. Now I know you can actually break this down further, but this is all the farther that the factory actually recommends. Watch how easy this goes back together. So easy, even a girl can do it. I need your help. I'm gonna get Mike a new holster, and he likes to carry inside the waistband, so what do you recommend? Thanks for watching. Y'all watch how easy this goes back together. Making me a nervous wreck, honey. All right.